In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in Outlook. If you're receiving unwanted emails from a specific sender, Outlook gives you a quick way to stop those messages from showing up in your inbox. This is useful for spam, repeated promotional messages, or emails from someone you simply don't want to hear from anymore. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's easy to follow. To begin, open Outlook and go to your mail section. This is where your inbox and all of your email folders are located. Make sure you're viewing the inbox or the folder where the message from the sender is currently visible. Since Outlook's layout can vary slightly depending on your device or browser, just look for the main mail view where your messages are listed. Once you're in your inbox, find a message from the email address you want to block. When you locate it, right-click directly on that message. This will open a context menu with several actions you can take for that email. If you're using a trackpad or a device without a traditional right mouse button, you may need to use the equivalent gesture to open the same menu. After the menu appears, move your cursor over the option labeled Block. You don't need to click immediately, just hover over it so Outlook can display the related blocking options. This extra menu helps confirm that you're choosing a sender-based block rather than a different mail action. From there, click Block Sender. That's the option that tells Outlook to block future emails from that specific address. In most cases, Outlook will either apply the change immediately or show a quick confirmation prompt. If a confirmation appears, simply approve it to finish the process. Once this is done, Outlook will prevent future messages from that sender from reaching your inbox in the normal way. This can help keep your mailbox cleaner and reduce distractions from unwanted emails. One quick tip: this only blocks the specific sender address you selected. So if someone emails you from a different address, you may need to repeat the same process for that one as well. Also, if you ever change your mind later, you can usually manage blocked senders in Outlook settings. And that's it. That's how to block an email address in Outlook quickly and easily.